Mutongeria wa Nthiguru William RUTO nakathite munini wawe umweru kithure Kîndikî na kumugweta ta mutongeria MWINYIIYIA na MURITI NGUGI akiari nyuma ya kithure Kîndikî kunyithwa muma kujukia giti kia munini Rais RUTO augite nandi ari na witikio ari na muntu wa kumugwata gutambia nkuma ya thirikari yawe gintu kiria agite kwa kagita ka miaka 2 RUTO nguruki norite Kîndikî kurutira Kenya bonthe na bamigongo yonthe NGUGI ite kumakania na aria baumite akionekana gutonyera Rigathi Gachagua uria weberetwo obisi na yetiari more awe ririrwaria ro kugaukania akenya kindu rijo Boniface Mongera no kariki ACC na gutwa chekinya
kuma kire mwetirezo awe monekanira jo ekire uthio bwawe ni nyankoro kimiruki kire sauti yewe
of the honorable
Rais RUTO ntukwenarwa imuntu umwe ekonekana na kugoro kungi kwa mwanya.
Over the past 2 decades I have had the privilege to witness Professor Kindiki's work as a professor, litigation lawyer, consulting attorney, senator representing Tharaka Nithi, majority leader of the Senate, deputy speaker of the Senate, the most recently as cabinet secretary. I can confirm that in all these roles, he has demonstrated exceptional dedication, high competence and professionalism, and consistently delivered results beyond expectations.
Na nonto mwambiro jo kwambiro nyanya bobwero Rais RUTO atire murako mwera Professor Kithure Kîndikî meja kuja komotenda na inyankoro kinethro kinya we kinya migambo ewe ere ari nyume kunyomuma.
Professor, you and me have the honor to serve the people of Kenya. And as I have said before, we will serve the people of Kenya equally, those who voted for us and those who did not vote for us. The government of Kenya equally belongs to all the people of the Republic of Kenya.
Na inyanyume komonja turoro monini oka nyumene bona digiji kanata murekere cha bururu are mulingire kati nyinge na mura Professor Kithure Kîndikî na tigina kwithura kari nteto nje cha thirikari na njireta lere na kireke kirento bonde na tekire gonto komwe.
We are not here to serve ourselves or our families or our communities or our regions or our villages. We are here to serve the Republic of Kenya and the people of Kenya.
Tegerinya dojiba wengi bagesiasa kagite negaka ibonekanite bagite kaneria retore thirikari RUTO iria mbirite kuthurori mathora gukia muno rutero Mount Kenya na nande Rais RUTO njara yorio na mutegerete Professor Kithure Kîndikî wanjara yomotho amutethire kwa ngoro rito riri ntaka kwa miaka 2 iri tigere.
I have almost become a lonely voice in the executive, especially in the presidency, speaking about our projects, speaking about our programs, elaborating on what we are doing. You are eloquent, my brother. You are intelligent, my brother. I am confident that you will do that which I have missed for the last 2 years.
Mwitanire jongoge cho Rais RUTO na munini omwe Professor Kithure Kîndikî jwa Kenya babengi bategerete baba bakondorete mezo bobo yakoneza bakomba kombera kire mara kaire no uchumi por bokari jabwara gene.
My young brother, let me call you Abraham K or Abra K.
Nke reporter Antoshero TV kuma yake ngine kinene kimusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.